In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Far Cry 3. Check my video description for this save file download link. Scroll down and here you can able to see your save path. Download the save #1. Once download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR and navigate to your save location. In my case, this PC, C drive, program data. If it doesn't see the program data, then select view and select show. Check mark this hidden items. And now open the program data. Open the orbit 46. Before dropping this 46 number folder, save. Backup your game progress. Create a new folder and drag and drop save files inside. Drag and drop the 100% save in this location and launch the game. Go to story, load game and select the save one and load. As you can see, the 100% save successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.